Hey everyone, in this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making a box for my pond aerator. These can kind of be sort of loud, and I wanted to put it in a box not only to keep it away from the weather, but I had an idea to try to soundproof it a little bit to try to cut down on that noise. So what you're going to see right here is I definitely went overkill. Here's my little thing here, but this is also going to allow me to try to put some of those soundproofing layers on the walls and maybe cut down on that while I'm back there trying to enjoy my pond. I don't have to worry about too much sound coming out. At least that is the hope. So let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut holes in this, one on each side, that is going to allow me to mount this 4-inch piece of PVC. Now this is the lighter, I'm not sure what you call it, but it's not as thick as some of that other PVC. So if you can help me in the comments, I cannot remember right now. But anyway, it was a few bucks less than what that thicker PVC is, and I don't really need it for anything big. It's just going to be sitting here glued down. So I'm going to put one on here and one on the other side. So let's get to cutting out these holes. All right, so I think what I'm just going to do is, I know this is for airflow and stuff like that, but for now, I think I'm going to run the hoses through this, and otherwise I could cut another hole, but I didn't want to open anything up. Since this is rounded, I won't get any rain in here. So I think that's what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run the extension cord through that also, and then the hoses through here. We should be all right. Besides that, we're going to start putting the sound barrier all on this. So let's take a look at that. So here's our little sound barrier, which is kind of vacuum sealed, so I'm sure it'll puff up as soon as we open her up. All right, I can already see that the sticky's not going to stick too well to that, but probably because it's got different angles and stuff. So I'm going to throw some liquid nails on, not tons, just a little bit to help it stick. So. And I'll go ahead and throw something on this because it's not doing too well. So I don't really care too much about how it looks in here. I just want to get all sticky. Make sure it actually stays in place. So All right, so that's pretty much it. I said not everything is totally covered. The main goal is to dampen that sound quite a bit, and I think this will. So next thing is to do is take it out in the field and actually try it out. All right, so it's been a few days since I've been filming this. I've had this running and everything, but I also got a fountain that I'm going to be plugging in here as well. You can see this fan. This is one of my last additions. I just taped it to a couple 4x4s, nothing crazy. I'm just going to set it in here. That way I can have air coming in and pushing it out. So that's the plan. And then the last thing I would probably put in here is going to be timers. I'm going to have a timer for the aerator, and then that's going to run, and then maybe in the evening the aerator will go off and then the fountain will come on. That way I can enjoy the fountain. So that's the plan for this. But otherwise, this is my aeration setup. Hope you guys enjoy the video. This box has been running like this for a few weeks at this point, and no water getting in. It's quiet. It's worked out really well. So hey, appreciate you guys watching. Awesome.